So check this. I open my let me put that shit on pause. Pause, mofo, pause. I open my Instagram and this kid. Hold on, I'll show you now. Fuck Instagram. Check this shit. Hold on. Look. Does anybody know this guy? So this guy, I'm a huge fan, need to get in by you, keep it up, you're amazing, thank you. Come to Miami and I'll hurt you, bro. To be precise, my needles will hurt you, ha 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 ha. So this guy is this guy, but this guy is this guy. Nice, real nice. I'm gonna start tattooing famous people. That's gonna make me famous. With this hair, I have to do it. Fuck shit, got them onto my eye. I gonna make some juice. I gonna make some juice. Fucking nice. I love it. All right. Bye, little home. Today I have to go to check the boat, man. Yeah, you're gonna hear a lot about this boat bullshit. To see how much water is in down, I need to clean the boat. I'm gonna talk lots of shit and actually be very idiot. That's more likely. So you're gonna hear me talking a lot about this. The music is still playing, man. I put my speakers, the Bluetooth speakers in my backpack, and the apartment is that way. And but anyway, let me throw this garbage. Say bye-bye to my garbage. Say bye-bye to my garbage. Stinks in here. Perfect. So yeah, let's see what's about it. I look good, I look good. So let me show you one of the swimming pool at my place. So this is the view. It's pretty windy, but this is a building. This is one of the buildings. Actually, this is a complex, I think. But this is how it looks. One of the pools. That's the boat right there. See that boat right there? That's moi. I don't know how I'm gonna get on the boat. Let's see. But yeah, this is one of the pools here. This is apparently used to be the infinity pool, so the water will go all the way there, but they changed it. And then there's another pool, same size, but that one is heated up and then has jacuzzi. And it has a barbecue area, which is pretty fucking dope, man. I like all this stuff. I mean, the fact that it's sunny all the time makes sense. Stuff like this in New York wouldn't work. Probably that's the reason I moved here. And this is how it is. So this is the complex, man. They still work on it, but it's, come on, it's fucking nice, man. I deserve it because I work hard for it. So So this is the main building, north side, south tower, and moi. Everything is with fingerprints to get in, not to get out. But to get in, there's a fuck. To get in is to actually fingerprint. Now we even have mantis. Look at this stuff. So this is the one deck. I don't have my boat here. I don't want to have my boat here because first of all you have to pay, but then it sits like randomly bullshit. And I like the boat there because it's, well, I want to move it though. But anyway, this is the water. It's really clean. And there's fishes, man. Actually they have big fishes. The other day I seen hold on, let me move it this way. The other day I seen a huge fucking stingray, like huge, right here. Big fucking stingray. So there's a lot of fish on the boat. I'm curious if the boat got water. I fixed it last night when I said I put a, what do you call that? I had some glue, like underwater glue. We'll figure out right now. This is my little boat. Say hello. It's not that, man, it's when I say little, it's little, but it's not that little because it's pretty fucking big. And I'm pretty loving it. So let's see how my boat stands up right now. Hey boat, let me know if you still alive. And because a scene like this could be on a knife. It's not that much water. There is water, but not much. Fuck it. I mean, you know what? I'm gonna get more glue later on and I'm gonna glue it. Probably I should go and glue it now. I don't fucking know. But anyway, yeah, probably I should do that. Probably I should fucking glue it now. Fuck, I'm in necessity. I would like to go and move my boat actually. I don't know how. Anyway, see you in a bit, guys. See you in a bit. In a bit. I have a beat. I have a beat. I have a beat, and it's mine. Oh, welcome to my world where everything is cool. Oh, welcome to my world where everything is cool. Say hello to my little boat. We still have water, man. I tried to fix it yesterday, but I got, hold on a second. This is your boy. This is your boy. I look like, you see what I have to do, man, to make videos on YouTube? I have to put myself a camera and say hello to my little camera. They deliver the shit in the water. They deliver the shit in the water. They're no babies. They're that. Well, fuck. Fucking stinks. This is your boy. This is your boy. I look like, you see what I have to do, man, to make videos on YouTube? I have to. Ah. Fucking garbage. Yeah, we're on the boat. You know what I'm gonna do, man? I'm gonna need to move the anchor. Fuck, I don't even know how to do it, but I'll do it. And then I need to try to put this engine on. Try to put that engine on to make it work. Okay, fuck it. Brake, see you in a bit. Hello, hello, little boat. Whew. Nice and breezy. You know what I got here? Look at the fucking gun in here. What? Bang bang! Ho 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 ho! go to work. As for cheers, ninjas. I said cheers, ninjas. Motherfucking cheers. On arriving Tuesday, was Thursday. What the fuck was delivered today? What the fuck are you talking? Thursday, January 17th. What the fuck? There is Saturday. What package I have? You have a parcel. Just have a fucking parcel. I need to fucking go and check what the fucking parcel I have. Anyway, check this, guys. So my boy here, he is a real G. Julian Sergi, blah blah blah, seriously done and done. So yeah, this is the guy that he's an actor, man. He's an actor. He's an actor. And he says he loves my shit. He loves my shit. He loves my shit. So he played War Dogs. I don't know him. I mean, I watched the movie. I was drunk. So he played in all the movies, in all these movies. He's a big deal, and he wants me to hurt him. Good. Perfect. Parcel pending. Ah, fuck, I'll look into it. Anyway, that's how we roll. So I cleaned out my shed here. I'm drinking my whiskey. My art book. I need to clean this table, man. I need to clean this table. Knifey. Fucking bleach, man. Woo! Bleach me, baby, one more time. Bleach. And I seen some this one. That one has to be clean too. Anyway, fucking clean my hands, man. This is bleach. This bleach kills germs. Not Germans, germs. All right, that's done. Cheers again. We have a package, we're gonna pick it up. Now this one is Come on, you fuck. It'll be weird to go in the water. Oh shit. There's no light. So we're gonna have chicken. We're gonna do barbecue, man. I'm gonna do a barbecue now. But this chicken, like this one right now, like this one, it's for fishing. Fishing for the chicken, fishing with the chicken, fishing with the chicken all day long. Fishing with the chicken, fishing with the chicken, fishing with the chicken all day long. Let's see. So this is the chicken part here. Let's see how this one works. Let me get my beer. All right. Let's see how this one works. Because I'll show how this one works. You know what? I have to try, man. These motherfuckers, they bad, man. They not fucking good. But bang! Oh baby, baby, we're gonna catch your fish. So that's one. That's fucking one. Let's see how that one works. Cool. That's done. So this chicken is gonna be, let me put it here. This is gonna be for the fishing. I need to clean all this mess, man. But I'm ready. Look at that motherfucker. Fucking ready. We shall see. Now, the problem with that one is I bought only those chicken. I mean, I can barbecue 3. I'm gonna leave another one for later. In case we're gonna catch a fish. Let's try, but then I need to, let's leave this one here for now. I need to marinate it, man. All right, that's good for now. That's good for now. Let's see how that chicken works, and then if it works, then I'm gonna do a barbecue. Ping, 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 ping. Cool. I fucking go on. I fucking go on. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? Where's the fucking other one? Hold on a second. Whoa! What the fuck is this? 1 second. This one. Where the fuck is this one? One is there. What the fuck is this, yo? Alright, we got one. At least the chicken is working. Fuck you, hold on. What the fuck is this? Look at this fucking teeth, man. Hold on a sec. Hold on. We're gonna go back to this. What the fucking fish is this? Look at this. Look at this fucking teeth, man. Look at that motherfucker. Because it's in the sun, by the sun.
Pe care o țin captivă, vrea să zboare, dai frig afară, nu mă lasă inima să-i dau drumul. Îi zic așteaptă, dată din aripi și tărâmă tot. Și n-ai voie să pui mâna pe la mea, te tragi la altar să-ți găsește stop, pasărea mea.
The way I'm gonna do it is simple. Those shit is all washed. Yep, motherfucker. Put that shit in there. Right in there, right in there. Do you have it? One, dwa. So what I'm doing this because it's outside. I just want to let them do their own thing. Hold on. Check this. Oh. Oh. Va. So this is how we do it, man. This is a barbecue on the boat, and this is a vlog, man, and I hope you guys get a good point of a good vibe of what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. And all saying, it's nothing to, it's just fun, man. It's just fun. This is all fun. I'm telling you one thing, man. If somebody's in Miami want to hang out with me, they can come and fucking hang out with me, man. I'm down. You want to fucking come hang with me in a day? I'm gonna one of these things when I'm gonna have people come and get tattooed and enjoy the life here with me. Up. Basically, it's only salt and pepper. That's it. I don't have anything else, so done. Let me put the mushrooms, all of them in one plate. It's fucking dirty. Look how fucking dirty they are. Now let me punch them. Hold on. Nobody fucking moves, man. Nobody fucking moves, man. Well, the bit about doing stuff like this, it's about actually get with it, you know. Fuck it, we do it our way. There's no such a thing as wrong or bad. Mostly for cooking, it's easy, you know. You don't have to stress about it. Fuck it, man. Everything cooks by himself, you know. I mean, it's good to be clean. And I have a motherfucking fish in there. I think I'm gonna put a fish in there too. Anyway. Like this. Like this. Hold on a second. Stupid. Well, I mean, it should be like this. I'm an idiot, man. It should be like this because I want to make sure it's sealed, so all the fumes or the leakage are in there. The fumes. There's no such a thing, you fucking idiot. The fumes. That's how you do it. I forgot about it. Now, you know what? I'm an idiot. I tell you why. Because I can make it better, just like that. With some fucking red wine, just like that. I have red wine here. Oh, red wine there. Oh, and if I'm here, too much, too much, too much, way too much. Way too much, but I gonna give this bad boy some of that bad boy. There you go, bad boy. What I did earlier, when I stopped it, I stopped that fucking thing too. You see? It's leaking. But it's okay. Because we got more of this. Even better. Now, let me get my tissue. I don't know where the fucking tissue is. Because it has to be clean, man, regardless. Oh, there you go. So, 2, 3. Four. Perfect. Done. Oh man. Go up. I show how this one looks. I hope I'm not gonna break my neck because we're gonna go right there. Woohoo! There's fishing. Up, 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 up. Oh! Oh, snap! That's my boy. Hello, Mr. Chicken. So we put a chicken. That's the mushrooms. Fuck it, you know? Hold on a second. We should put a chicken first. Done. I'll leave that shit there. So all right, cool. Let me clean up. Well, I don't have a light because it's kind of scary, but I don't have a light yet, but I will. Oh, oh, see you later, alligator. Pam, 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 pam. I stepped on the fucking make.
Papi, te vas a marear.
Like just like that. And I show how the chicken looks. Man, this chicken, look. Look, the way I cook it. Come off the motherfucking bones, man. Look.
Wow.
Fucking love my cooking. I love my cooking.
You're such a fool.
I think it's the best, dude. You don't even fucking know.
Oh, it's hot.
It is still warm, that's what I told you. It needs salt.
No, it doesn't.
Yo, look, this one fell off the fucking bone, man.
Good job, baby.
It's good, right? You fucking dropped it. Good. Oof. Now, so this shit is done. This is the chicken. Look. That's how we cook it. Why are you laughing? Hold on, let me show them. Hold on, let me show the people the asparagus. Asparagus on the mushrooms. Lick. Oh man, this is so fucking good. Baby, that sucks balls, you know that, right?
Maybe that's okay. We're not gonna die.
No, I know, but I'm just... I like perfection when I cook, baby. Let's do fast.
You want me to help you?
Try to...
No. It's okay. You do your thing.
Huh.
I don't want to take credit later.
Whoa, I don't want to take credit, Jesus.
Baby, I want to marry the moon.
You wanna fucking marry the moon? Marry the motherfucking moon. I don't give a fuck. I ain't no jealous on the moon. Baby, where the fuck is my wine? Alright, so that's done here. Do we have it? Are you on top of the fuck? Are you on top of the motherfucking boat? Baby! We need oil. Do I have oil? I don't even have oil, but that's okay because they're gonna leave water. Cool. So, that's done. What I'm gonna do with this is pretty simple. A lot of salt.
Oh yeah, that's good for the heart.
Yeah, the salt is softened up, and then it gets into the beans and it's softening them up, right? So when you cook, the pepper makes them stronger, the salt makes them softer. But when you cook, it sucks. This is gonna release a lot of water, so basically it's gonna push it out. It's not gonna be sucking in the salt. Do you hear what I'm saying?
Say suck one more time.
Suck it in, baby. Hold on, what are you doing? Hold on.
Let me record you.
You wanna record me? Hold on. There you go. You can see me now. Can you see me?
Yeah, I see you.
All right. So. That's down here, but what I'm doing, I'm gonna use the fucking vegan stupid fucking sausage.
Excuse you.
Excuse myself sometimes. Hold on, let me get the fucking knife. Do you see the knife?
Nope.
Fuck, can you feel me?
I am filming.
That goes in my mouth, this goes on top of this. Now, the wine, if you don't have wine, you put vinegar. What happens with the vinegar or the wine, actually it's an acid thing, and then it makes them even better.
Oh, that's a fancy knife.
No, it's rusty. There you go. Now put it in the middle. And this one is gonna be pretty fucking simple dish, actually, believe me or not. There you go. Done.
Can you get a close up of that? Bring that over here. Ooh.
And we put a motherfucker on the grill. Baby!
You're gonna put that whole thing in the grill?
Yeah, because it's gonna stay for half an hour, yeah. You see what I'm doing?
I see what you're doing, baby.
So this one has no air going in, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this motherfucker,
It has a little butt right there.
Alright, cool.
It looks like a baby.
It looks like a fucking potato. Cool. That's done. Now, that's gonna take about 40 minutes to cook. We have asparagus. Oh, we have fucking potatoes. Let's do the fucking potatoes. Come here, motherfucker. That's on. Actually, that takes most of the space. We had asparagus earlier. We're not gonna do asparagus right now, but we do potatoes. And then you can take tomorrow this one to cook, to work.
Thank you, baby.
Very welcome. Very welcome. $6:38 a.m. Let me show this. Let me show you this. So that one is gonna cook for. So this one wasn't really cooked. The fire wasn't up last night. I slept in the boat, so I need to cook it a little bit very fast, and it's all done. Thank you very much. 6 a.m. That's how we roll. Let me see if it's a sunrise. Let me see. 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 It's gonna be an amazing sunrise. It's gonna be an amazing sunrise. It's not. Actually, it's happening soon, but it's not. So fuck it, cook it. Then I'm gonna go back in the boat because that's how we roll. Oh, 6:46 a.m.